For the first ISP project, we were given several projects to pursue. For my short ISP, I decided to build an EL driver circuit. This is a circuit that can power EL wire technology. Here's a demonstration of this circuit working. The first step in creating this circuit was building a full bridge inverter. This is a circuit that takes a DC input and converts it into an AC output. It is made up of 4 transistors, and when these transistors are manipulated in the right way, you get an AC square wave across the load. For example, when Q1 and Q3 are saturated, the current flows in one direction. When Q2 and Q4 are saturated, current flows in the other direction. This creates an AC square wave over the resistor as seen in the image on screen. The next step in the circuit is to bump up the voltage. This is done using a transformer. A transformer works on the basis of electromagnetic induction. This is a rule that an electrical current will create a magnetic field. This fundamental physics principle is what transformers rely on to work. Another unique property of electromagnetic fields is that when a wire is coiled and a current runs through it, it creates a magnetic field along the coil. Let's now place this winding in close proximity to a second coil. If we continue to run current through the primary winding, we will induce a current on the secondary winding due to electromagnetic induction. Now the voltage of this new current is not identical to the voltage of the primary winding. It is dependent on how many coils are in the secondary coil. The fewer coils on the secondary winding, the lower the voltage. The opposite is true with more coils on the secondary winding. This ends up inducing a higher voltage due to the same principle as discussed earlier. A transformer with these properties is called a step-up transformer and is the one used in this project. Even though I felt I had a solid understanding of how the circuit works, the EL driver still holds many mysteries. Some of these include why my MOSFETs heat up even though the voltage they are handling is very small. Another one being why such a small voltage of 35 volts still powers the EL driver, as seen here. These are all questions I wish to answer with further research. Overall, I still do believe that this project was a success.